Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So in this one we can put like this. So this one we can use about the quotient rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to 8 over b. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have like this. So a that is about this one, b that is about this one. So if we apply the formula, we have like this. So number 3 with number 2 we have number 6 because 3 multiplied by number 2. So the second one that is about the chain rule. So that should be like this. Now we can apply this one and this one. So we have like this. So number 3 I will put in here. So we have 3a to the power of 3 minus 1. So this one we have number 2. And 7t plus 1 we need to do first the derivative. Now we can apply the same in here. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. 7 with number 3 we have 21. This one we got 2t. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. And now number 2, and number 3 that is about 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.